Hello, dear friend. You're looking a bit stressed. Yeah. You've been dealing with a lot lately, huh? Have you gotten lost in the social media algorithms? Why don't we take a pause together, do a couple of very simple somatic exercises. See how you feel afterwards? Let's give it a try. You could even put your phone down or set it up on the table, or put it down and just listen to my voice. Let's give it a go. You're going to cup your hands over your eyes and block out the light, which reduces stimulation. You can press the heels of your hands in and away from your nose, opening up your sinuses. Take a deep breath, letting go of anything that's not serving you in this moment. Go ahead and release your hands from your eyes, interlace your fingers on top of your head, and feel yourself sandwiched between the floor and your hands here. This is a nice containment. Sometimes we can feel like we are exploding out of our mind, and so it's just a little reminder, yeah, this is where my head ends. I am the peanut butter and jelly between this top bun and the floor, which is the bottom bun. Noticing what that feels like. There's a variation, which is hand on front of the head and one hand on the back. So one hand's over the forehead and one hand over the back. Again, containing. And we're just going to throw one more in there. Go ahead and release your arms. Take a nice deep inhale, and we're going to do a Voooo together. Voooo. Stimulating that vagus nerve, activating the parasympathetic rest and digest. Notice what that vibration feels like. Maybe make any intuitive movements that your body wants to make. How you feeling, friend? How you feeling? You feeling a little bit better, huh? A little bit less stimulated? That's what's up. That's what's up. Pause for the cause. Take care of yourself today. Take care. Hydrate. Go drink some water.